Hello and welcome to Unity tutorial number 3. Today we'll do some basic scripting. We'll learn what is transform. So open your Unity and then I'll open our project that we made it in previous tutorial. Okay, so now we'll wait until it opens. So here we have our main scene. We were creating some little mountains or whatever, and we imported our first person controller. So when you click create here, you have a lot of things. Let's say cube, and it has a box collider. What is a collider? That is like when you have a wall, so you can't go through it. So let me show you. There is our little cube, so you can't just go through it. It's like a wall. Okay, so let's add some directional light here. Okay, so let's create a folder scripts. In this tutorial series I will use C# and Java both, but I'll use JavaScript the most. Okay. Okay, create JavaScript and let's name it cube.animation. Okay, we'll make a cube rotate on let's see, on y-axis. So we get this generated code. Okay, so I like to make it a bit different. So in here we type the code that we want to execute on start, and here is every frame executing that code. So these are variables here. You don't have to type them here, but JavaScript you need to type keyword or and then name of the variable, then 2 dots, and then type of variable, and then semicolon. That is like our code is and dot. It's like dot on the end of the sentence. So let's see, speed of animation. Let's see, a float. Okay, so float is a decimal number. It can be point anything, and integer is a full number, right? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you will write 1 point anything, it will be an error. So let's say speed of animation, and we don't want to mess with start for now. We'll use our update, so we'll say cube as GameObject. So we just drag in the editor a GameObject. It's our cube. So now cube.transform.position. We'll start with position because rotation is a little bit different. .x, .position, .x, or y, or z. I'll say x, and then plus equals speed. In programming, it's always plus equals. You can say plus for this type, but in some we can't say that. So let's say plus equals speed of animation times time dot delta time. So this time dot delta time. Oh, actually, we don't need it for now. Okay, so we don't need time dot delta time because it's an update function. It's checking it every frame. So every game object has the transform component, and it's right here. As you can see, we can't remove it. It's giving it the location and the space. So here's our position, and here's the rotation and scale. The scale is how much you want it to be big. So we are increasing the position, right? Yes, the text. So it will increase, it will go there. And we can save by hitting Control and say S. You can go File, Save. So we want to minimize that and drag the script onto any game object for now because we set cube animation. We can go into cube and add it. Okay, so now we are going to drag the cube into the cube game object. It will always be here in the inspector. And then save 1 for the speed of animation. So it's going a bit fast. That's why I set it to float. Okay. So it's 0.1 and it's faster than that. Okay, now it's great. So in the next tutorial we'll do rotation, and if you like this video you can subscribe or like it, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.